Without proper treatment, filtration, and maintenance, a hot tub can become unsanitary. The great news is it only takes a small investment of time and energy to keep your water crystal clear and safe to use. In addition to changing your water and cleaning filters regularly, there are several different options of chemical additives to keep your water pure. The traditional and most common method is chlorinating your water. When using a chlorine system, keep an eye on your levels to make sure your water stays pure. The only downside to chlorine is that it can irritate some people with skin sensitivities. Fortunately, these people have other options. Bromine has a lower pH than chlorine, making it easier on the skin and eyes while doing a great job of killing algae, viruses, and other contaminants. Bromine also comes in pre-measured packages. Be sure to completely drain and clean your tub when switching from chlorine to bromine to prevent unwanted chemical reaction. Now, ozone systems neutralize contaminants by injecting ozone into the water, while a non-chlorine oxidizer combined with other minerals cleans the water and slows bacterial growth. This option is very mild on the skin and eyes. We have more helpful planning guides, articles, and videos, and your local Caldera dealer is ready to answer questions specific to your tub, your requirements, and your abilities. Be sure to call them or stop in for a visit.